Abusua me ma akwa ba edeba Adom TV. Me sensem be tete me na meka. Nanu na Ghana we nya 68 years. Na me say o man Ghana no ne de wa he. Ghana na chere me Ghana. And as I say it is no. E free sua no ekudu Badwam TV. There be Ghana is made up of the men and women that constitute the country. The nipa ben ye kura wo mokromu a. Uko ye mfie mu a ya ware tete pansam che say emema adwane agya mrante wo fie wonhwe fie. Our family structures and relationships have become affected. It's affecting our children. We don't even have a good family history, but we have a bad family, also a family that is hooked to substances and alcohol. We have poverty and poor economic conditions as a country because we have not trained our young ones to become productive. And then I did about some friends saying TikTok, money talk. We are saying, and the union that's on the air. Now I'm a shame for you TikTok. I brand to be a sabi who bar a cheat sabi battle. Not all and son, no head to the Sahara and say good in Quam. Not yesterday. When you had say each Ghana for. But could be so I say, son, we didn't know in Itiabo Edanum AF. And Funibia and Quadabi who knows ayo. We are not even controlling what we show in our media. We're not controlling what we say on our media. We're not controlling how we get access to drugs. And the prescription drugs are a big problem in this part of the world. Oko kanta no akoto. Ebi kwa talk of syrup. They say eno bone ena enipa enum. And sad the ejai. Okoto nsa just said enye mahogany o. Enye ginger o. Ye the normal friends enum ena nipa ba enum. Efie bia wanya obenya nipa miensa abusua bia wanya obenya nipa enum a woni da eduro so a sebe woni num do bone ese wona adwene na ye misa se de na de ba esan se eno no boyefo na easily available galamsey aka intimi to ase no 43 jan do bone a emrante ne num e wo galamsey site wo de ko galamsey site dodo no akabensem na tutu asem a wodi nyina no eye enduboni a woni no ema woni wo a woni agyanom ema sabe wo bo asibra e wo monte so woni fede no ejina sabe nsane enu a woni no ema sabe wo yi wo ho a monte ne ya wo ka de wo pe e wo media so emrante say I don't even know what's wrong with our mind onyame bo man adwene odi nsuo bi tamu a ekenya o manyansa a ekenya ma akwankyere wo mpesa nsuo no na akɔpɛ nsuo foforo a yayo ene husie sekusie because kusie no ebo ne husie na odi ahye wadwe proso na wadwe na dane ente na woni mrante ne baba kasa yo you know yo say nyansa asɛm a wo kan wontie wo kan jimi asɛm ne ebo say o man be na jiri ena mpani ye ho na mpani esi nkonwa na adwen kwa baba so ayes apesika opesika ni yaba chere ni bakwa ba krama wo. I believe our primary focus as a nation is to develop the human economy and capital, the mind, the spirit and the body of the Ghanaian. I believe the primary focus of us as a nation is to transform consciously, intentionally, to do programs to transform the mind, to improve upon the mindset, the attitude of the Ghanaian. Because when we gain economic emancipation, we don't have people who have emancipated their mindset. It's nothing. Say ye concert no. Near the safata de here. Near the sombo ama ya ho. Enipa no kra woni su ehia yen. Bema na akware no hwe ni so bon de ware wo. Enyo no a ne mame anom wi saa anom no saa joda wo no dadwo nyina ya wi ne sa saa na oba no so tie wo fa na dwuma mu ani ha ne sebe subanfi krono ne ya kasa kasa efi baabi ye betu ase a ne ya ensi konwa ne ntu ase me de maka menye difo me de asɛm a da makoma so na mahwie agu ma yɛnsi nkonnwa na yɛnhwɛ wɔ man mu nipa no wɔne bɔbea ne wɔn krabea ne wɔ daakye ma me na wase sɛ onya mmerɛ hwɛ me me de na ase kɛse ɛkɔ ama Richmond ɛna Weber Mark Eja Weber Kampadu Priscilla ne Sarah me da mu nyinaa ase ɛwɔ production room na me mmra sound na me na osmosis ba ko pani ne apamfo me na Thomas ɛwɔ camera MCR ɛna me na lighting ɛna floor managers ɛna obi a ɔbɔ ayɛ dwumadi ba wo fie me da mo ase wa onya mmerɛ hwɛ me de me do nyame egyaw ro nyame entena